Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Gautam from MGWell Day Trader. So today let's see what are the stocks we have added in our watch list and how it have performed in our volume profile levels. So likewise, this is the Nifty chart. So still Nifty is trading in a sideways movement and it has to reach this POC level. So whenever the price comes to this level, we will be having a good trade in this stock, in the Nifty. So unless we didn't have any trade in the Nifty. So the next stock, first stock is the REC. So first of all, I draw profile for yesterday's trade. So the profile will be looking like this. This is a B type profile. So market opened below the yesterday's low and came inside the value area, and the market is trading near the POC. So I am going to mark the value area low and POC. So you can clearly see the market came inside the value area and traded near the POC and got rejected from the POC. So we can take a short trade from this place around 126.6. So we can get almost 1% in this stock. So the next stock is MGL. So I am drawing volume profile for the yesterday's trade. So this stock opened inside the yesterday's high and low, but the POC is much higher, but there is a volume cluster at the bottom of yesterday's trade. So I am going to mark this volume cluster, and once the market broke this level, it didn't it didn't went above this level. Instead it is trading in a sideways below this level, just below this level, and got rejected from this place. We can take a short trade here, but we should have some confirmation, like when it is retraced back away from this trade, and when it came retraced back to this level, we might have taken the trade. So this is one of the trade here. And the next stock is Persistent. So the Persistent we have been seeing for almost 1 week. We have been following this stock. Yesterday we took short trade around this place. So today is also short trade only. So I am drawing volume profile for yesterday's range. So today market opened gap down in the stock and went up to the value area low. So whenever market opened and trading below the value area low, we should be very careful. We should not take a long trade unless otherwise the POC is strongly broken with some volume. Okay, so the market rejected at the value area low and the volume cluster just below the value area low. We took a short trade around 3,925 and we booked a good profit in this stock. At that time the ATR value is 21 points. We maintained the stop loss at POC, we maintained stop loss around 30 to 35 points and we booked almost 40 points in this stock. So the next stock is Hind Copper. Hind Copper is also coming almost for a week. So did you remember we have taken a short trade here and the market is falling down. So I draw the profile for yesterday's trade. So you can clearly see the market opened inside the value area low and it just couldn't break the value area high, and it broke the POC level and went below the value area low. I am going to mark the value area low. So this is the value area low. So we can take a short trade here. So we can get almost 2 to 3 points in this stock. So the next stock is Nationalium. So I am going to draw profile for this. So you can clearly see the stock. It is a B type profile. We are going to take a short trade in the stock, and the trend is in the downtrend. Always remember, we should always follow the trend. There is a saying called the trend is a friend. So we should always remember this. So market opened below the value area but just inside the yesterday's low and retraced back to the POC and made a strong rejection at the POC. We took a trade around 117.5 and we booked almost 2 to 3% in this stock. So the next stock is Apl Limited. I am drawing profile for yesterday's range. So same as Nationalium, the market opened below the value area and below the yesterday's low and retraced back to the POC and made a strong rejection at this price, and we have taken trade around 717. So when it is made a rejection, we took a trade and we maintained stop loss around 6 to 8 points. So we booked almost 2% in this stock. So this is a stock, and another stock from yesterday's range. You can see at the very last and at the very last time the market get retraced back to this level, as I have mentioned in the earlier video. So we took a trade around here in this stock, and today the trend is following and it is falling down. So always we should be stick to the trend. We should not go against the trend. If there is a small pullback in this stock, we should not think the market is going up or it is trend reversed. We should see there is any trend confirmation. We have to use the volume for this to confirm the trade, and always use higher time frames. Higher time frame means 15 to 30 minutes time frame. Someone asked why couldn't you use 30 minutes time frame. So basically our market is only for 6 hours, so within this small time we could not use 30 minutes time frame, and we didn't get enough we can't get any confirmation in the 30 minutes time frame. 15 minutes is good because we can get 25 candles in a day. In the 30 minutes we just get only 12 to 13 candles, so we cannot judge the market for the intraday. Sorry, we could use 5 minutes also, but comparing to 5 minutes to 15 minutes is much better. So you should use the 15 minutes and the volumes will be very clear in the 15 minutes. Okay, so that's all for today. Always maintain the stop loss in your trade, like I am mentioning in the every video. Please do trial your stop loss or always put the stop loss. So if you have any queries related to the volume profile, and you can we are updating the stocks, we are updating our watch list in early morning itself. You could see in our shorts video. So you can add the stocks and just practice the volume profile by applying the volume profile like I am doing in every video, and mark the POC level and where the market is opening. So you can take a mock trading or a paper trading in the trading view itself, or you can take a real trade but by taking some small quantity of trade like 1 share or 2 share. So you can get practiced by this only. And if you have having any doubts, you can send a screenshot, so like saying this is the right or wrong, where I am going to take a trade. So if you have any doubts in this like this, please do contact us. I have given my contact number in the description box, and I have given the mail ID, so you can contact us in any way. We will be available at any time to service you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till the end, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.